Can you rotate text in Google Docs? The answer is no, you cannot. If you select this paragraph and then you're trying to rotate it, it just doesn't work. There is no option for that. It is not like an image. When you select on the image, you have this control point that allows you to click and drag, and then you can move it around. You can change the rotation of the image, but on the text, it is not possible unless if you do something first. So I'm going to show you how you can rotate text with the alternative method. Now let's select this text, and I'm going to just copy, or I think cut is probably even better because we want to replace this text anyway. So just click cut, and let's go to insert, drawing, click new. Okay, just wait for a second until it loads. Now right click anywhere on this area and then click paste. So we have this object, this text box that contains the same text that we just copied before. You can make it bigger, you can also make it smaller, and I think I'm going to stick with this shape. And if you want to rotate the text, just click on this control point again and then drag it to any orientation that you like. You can also press and hold the shift key on the keyboard to make a predetermined orientation like that. So let's say I'm going to rotate to 180 degree, and this is the result. Let's click save and close. Okay, just wait for a moment, and there you go. Now we have this text, the same text as before, but it has been rotated to 180 degree. So anyway, I hope that helps.